In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Verizon router yellow light. Now, a yellow light on your Verizon router means no or limited internet. Usually fixed by power cycling, you want to unplug your router for 30 seconds and plug it back in. You want to check all of your fiber or Ethernet cables, especially on the WAN or LAN ports. Now, using the My Verizon app for diagnosis or diagnostics, or you can finally factory reset your device. But if this fails, you want to call the official Verizon technicians as it signals a potential network or hardware issues. Basically, you want to try the basic fixes first, which is to use the application, factory reset the device as the last resort. You want to check your router settings. You want to basically power cycle everything. And lastly, you want to contact Verizon if nothing fixes our problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.